The Evolution X represents the pinnacle of performance, efficiency, and serviceability. To simplify maintenance and serviceability, all of the wet side nuts and bolts are the same size and length, and the use of washers have been eliminated. In fact, the Evolution X has 50% less hardware than the previous model. We have added standoff feet to the inner chambers to stabilize the pump on the workbench during disassembly. The plate and diaphragm assembly can be pre-torqued on the bench, making final assembly that much easier. The diaphragm perimeter is sealed with an integral bead, eliminating the need to align bolt holes. The neutral plane diaphragm does not need to be inverted during assembly. The Evolution X platform was engineered to streamline and simplify the maintenance and service process. The all-new Sandpiper Evolution X, achieving the pinnacle of performance, efficiency, and serviceability. Visit www.sandpiperpump.com to learn more today.